The Earth receives enough energy in a single hour of sunlight to power all human activity for an entire year. This is a mind-blowing amount of energy freely available for us to harvest and power our planet with minimal environmental impact compared to fossil fuels. However, solar cells account for less than 1% of global energy production, so what's holding us back from using the technology we already have?
That is because the current silicon panel material is made, which creates a very inefficient. It only converts the sun rays into 25% of electricity. However, the good news is that scientists have discovered and currently working on a material called perovskites, which creates the next generation of solar panels. Currently, it takes approximately 7 tons of silicon material to make 1 million watts of the solar cell. On the other hand, the perovskite material, completely synthesized from earth-abundant elements. And it only takes 35 kilograms of this material to make the same million watts of solar cells.
Please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button to be notified every time we upload a video.
So what is a perovskite? A perovskite is any material with the same type of crystal structure as calcium titanium oxide, known as the perovskite structure, or 12A2 plus 6B4 plus X23, with the oxygen in the face centers. Perovskites take their name from the mineral, which was first discovered in the Ural Mountains of Russia by Gustav Rose in 1839 and is named after Russian mineralogist L.A. Perovsky. All in all, in the near future, we can produce solar cells that can generate more electricity and at an affordable price. The good news is that perovskite material is lightweight, transparent, and flexible, which means its application is endless. It can be used in the home, building, airplane, spaceship, cell phone, and computer accessories, etc. Finally, the future for solar cell technology and its application are endless.